Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming across my channel, kindly do me the favor to hit the subscribe button, put on the notification bell so that anytime I post an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. Now, today I'm going to teach you how to trade the volatility 75 with this unique strategy. Please, if you're using your mobile phone to trade, only know that you are scalping once the conditions are in place. Yes, when the conditions are in place or in line, you only scalp with the information using this strategy so that you don't end up losing your equity or your money. And please avoid over trading so that you don't also encounter huge losses. For proper trading whereby you make profits consistently in the forex market, the synthetic market, don't hesitate to join my millionaire strategy team where you can be assured of understanding what price is doing, how to read the chart like a pro, how to take good entry and good exit, not just depending on your mobile phone's indicator. The mobile phone indicator are not something that is so reliable for those of you who are new into trading, because when you are using your mobile phone as a beginner, there are some information that you can't see. Yes, there are informations you can't see. So for you to master trading very well, then you need to join the millionaire strategy. Exactly, guys. You really need to join the millionaire strategy so that you'll be able to see good outcome. Good outcome. Exactly. Good outcome. This is the strategy for today. It's a very simple strategy for scalping the market. A very good strategy for scalping the market, most especially on VIX75. It works for both um, other volatility indices, but we usually love using it on VIX75. So before I proceed, let me show you how to take your entry. I believe mere looking at it, you should know what price is doing and how you can quickly scalp as a beginner with this strategy. Now for a buy setup, you just need three confirmation, the three golden confirmation for volatility 75 entry. The first confirmation is on your main chart. Once price cross above your moving average, what we want to see is the window one. Where is price? You notice that price is touching the level 10, which is your buy zone. Sorry, I think there's an error. I'll correct it later. So level 10 is your buy zone. What you notice your awesome oscillator will be printing green, that is bullish candle. Now the second confirmation is in your window 2. You will notice your moving average also is touching the level 10, moving all the way to level, moving all the way up. Then lastly, the trend. If the trend has strength to buy, you check your last window, which is the ADX. For those of you who have been observing my strategy recently, you notice I love putting ADX because it increases the probability of your entry. So you notice that the positive ADX is above level 20, which indicates there is much momentum for price to buy. So in this case, you open a buy and hold. So immediately you make good profit, you opt out. Exactly. That is for a buying condition. Now what should you be expecting for a sell condition? In a sell condition, this is what you will be expecting to see. The first thing is we want to see our awesome oscillator giving us a bearish form of movement. You see it is already painting red bars. The second confirmation is we want to see our moving average in your window 2 touching the level 90 and facing downward, indicating that price is going down. Then don't forget that we are still going to observe what the trend looks like in our main chart. So you can see that in our main chart, price is what below the moving average. Exactly. Now, before you now take your final entry, you observe what price is doing in your ADX line. That means the last window. You can notice that the negative ADX is above level 20, indicating that there is high momentum of price dropping. So when these confirmations are in line, then you then proceed to take your sell entry. Now, talking about the time frame to use, you can use from the 15 minutes time frame and upward. But mind you, the stronger the time frame, the higher the probability of price going towards your direction. The stronger the time frame, the higher the probability of price going down to your direction. Now let's check the 15-minute time frame. What is 15-minute time frame currently saying? If we should go down to the 15 minutes time frame, you can see 15 minutes time frame is more or less giving us a buy, and that buy is not going to hold. Why? Because you notice that our window 1, this one was okay, this one is okay, and here price has not totally crossed above that moving average. But the one that is going to give you the final conclusion is this ADX. We can still see that the negative ADX is still above, showing that there's high probability price will keep going down. That is why you can't just depend on just the two window, that is the window 1, window 2 alone, even the main chart. Because if we should go with the window 1 and window 2, we will have been taken by opportunity by now, expecting price to go up. In this case, you notice us having huge drawdown because the final window, which is the ADX window, has not indicated that there's a strong momentum for buy to take place. So this is why I love using the ADX. It increases your probability of entry. So make sure you practice this before going in. That is why I told you from the onset that depending on only your mobile phone indicators for trading the forex market, synthetic indices is not enough. So for that reason, check the description below to join my WhatsApp team where we talk about the millionaire strategy, how we read charts, how you can analyze charts. Even as a beginner, you can tell the direction of price for the week, you can tell the direction of price for the day, for the month. So, and you can identify good areas to take your entry, not just depending on your indicators on your mobile phone, because those indicators might be lagging sometimes. That means they'll be printing false information. So when they print false information, you are the one to suffer the loss. Exactly. So if you really want to make consistent profit, not just making profit today, tomorrow losing your money, then don't hesitate to join the millionaire strategy, where things are seen more clearly, where we can tell what price is doing, and we can really identify good areas where we should take entry and exit. Alright, now let me show you the settings for this strategy. Click on this icon here at the top. When you click on that icon, it's going to take you to the indicator window home. So the first indicator I'm going to add to the main chart is the moving average with period 10, shift 1, method linear weight, apply to close, style 4 pixel, you can use any color of your choice. Then your window 1, which is the RSI. When you click on the FX plus on the main chart, go under oscillator, you see the RSI. So you click on the RSI, the period should be 1, apply to close, style should be 1 pixel, level should be 90, 50 and 10. Now, sorry, level 10 should be buying zone, not sell zone. Level 10 should be buy zone. Exactly, that means when the condition align, then you take your buy zone. Why here should be sell zone. Level 90 should be sell zone. So this is how it ought to look. Then you click on save. Is that clear? So the second indicator you're going to add in your window 1 is the awesome oscillator. Let it be on default setting. Then you click on save. Then you go back to your F plus icon, that's the one on the main chart. Look for your relative strength index. The relative strength index still the same level and the same settings. Then lastly, you add moving average with period 10, the same one you have in the main chart. Add it to your window 2. Exactly. Then you click save. Then lastly, you add the ADX. ADX period 15. Style should be white. Plus DI should be green. Minus DI should be red. The level should be 20. Don't forget that the plus DI, when it's above level 20, it indicates momentum for buy. Minus DI, when it's above level 20, it indicates momentum for sell. So this is how the strategy works. Now to join the millionaire strategy, make sure you click on the description below. There's a WhatsApp number there. You can chat me with that WhatsApp number. And please, once you make the necessary requirement to join the team, I will send you the softwares we are going to be using for the strategy. Also send you the video guide, then add you to our WhatsApp community where we analyze chart every single week, so that you don't just trade like a blind person. You will know areas where you should be expecting price to reverse and area where you should be taking your entry. Then you also know many things that you don't seem to understand, why you usually lose your money every single time you trade the forex market or the 13 indices. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Then let me know your opinion after trying the strategy in the comment section. And if you have any other thing to add, or you want to give us a suggestion, also make sure you put it in the comment section below. See you in the next one, guys. Cheers.